Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is what I have been up to. I have been missing in action. I traveled to the village to see how things are going on in the farm. I was going to check on the farm, the rice farm. It's about time to harvest the second season for the one we planted, and I was on my way here. Yes, my village is called Mwea, Kirinyaga, Mwea, for those who are familiar with Kenya, some places in Kenya. So that's where I was traveling on my way. Yes, this is a place called Makutano. It's time to harvest what we had for the last season. Then we can prepare the farms to prepare for the next incoming season. This was on my way to the farm using public means of transport. Yes, guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch my YouTube channels. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. I welcome you all. I love you all. Kindly subscribe, watch my video, comment, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you. I appreciate you all. All these are rice fields. This is where rice is grown in very large scale. It goes way ahead. I don't know how long it goes or how much it goes, but this was on my way to my place, which is very far. At this point I was still some far distance to reach my destination. So once you enter the county of Kirinyaga, or a place called Makutano, you go just beyond I think for like 3 kilometers. Yes, that's where the rice begins. The rice farms begins, and it is very large, I think the whole county is known for rice growing. So these are fields. This is rice in the fields, in the farm. This one is yet to be harvested. As you can see, it's turning from green to some kind of drying. Some parts were harvested already, and some were already planted, and others were already harvested. But the place you see like drying, those were ready to be harvested. And even some were some people were harvesting. Like my place, we were going to harvest the rice because it was ready for harvest. It goes way until the place you can see the trees there beyond. Yes, and this place is very good. It is very nice for, it has good condition or weather conditions for rice growing. Yes, I had gone without taking breakfast, so this is a mandazi and a cup of tea to keep me going. This is now my hometown, my village hometown. After taking a cup of tea and a mandazi, I walked on the other side of the road to wait for a motorbike to take me to the farm. From here to the farm, you can't walk. It's a distance, and also there are no cars to the farm. Yes, there is a small roundabout here, and let me tell you guys, this place has a lot of motorbikes. It was around 10 a.m. They are not so much, but come evening, oh my goodness, I don't know which other place I have ever seen motorbikes like this place. It has a lot of motorbikes. There are even more than cars in this place, in this town, guys. Yeah, it is a place called Gurubani. Gurubani. It sounds funny, but that's our place, that's our home. This is our village. This is our shopping center where we get all our items, all our farm produce. Oh, sorry, all our farm equipment, inputs, our households, everything. This is the you can get in this town. Even banks, hotels, Airbnbs, everything is in this town. It is quite a large or a big town. It has developed over the years, and it's a nice place. Yes, so here I was waiting for a motorbike to take me there. Enjoy the view, guys. This is how the rice is dried. You can see at the roadside they put a very big they are called mats, or what are they called, tents, very big ones, and they dry the rice before it is milled in the milling place. Yeah, so enjoy the views, guys. Sorry I was shaky because my hands were shaky because I was on a motorbike, and also I was not able to talk too much because of the wind, the sound, the music, and everything. But I hope you enjoy this video showing you my hometown, my village, my village town, my on my way to the farm also, guys. I hope you enjoy. Those who are near me, next time you can get in touch with me. I'll take you when we are planting the rice. We'll go plant together. I'll show you how we plant the rice. komagera. Okay. Mathaa merĩ. Kau kariũa makarĩte riũa rĩ. My friends and family, I hope you are enjoying the views. It's breathtaking. This place is so nice. It's very beautiful. It's very nice fresh air here. Cool sounds. I mean, this place is beautiful, guys. I had missed this place. I had missed the farm. It's so nice. Yes, very nice. I hope you are enjoying the views. I hope my camera was very clear to show you good pictures. Yes, on the other side, on my left, my neighbor was planning. He had harvested the rice on like 2 weeks before me, so he was preparing the farm again to plant again. So he was going to plow with this tractor, and it did a very nice job. After the plowing with the tractor, she's going to put a nursery bed for the rice. When it's ready, she's going to plant it on the rice field. Yes, here people don't do things the same. Others are plowing, others are preparing the fields, others are harvesting like me. And on the other side, they were others planting. It all depends with the availability of water. Yes, where the water reaches fast, it dries fast and it is harvested. The earlier, yeah, it is harvested earlier than the others. The two ladders on the ground, they are for helping the tractor go on the other side, because the in between the road and the rice farm there is a water canal, a very big one, a wide one, which brings water to the fields. Yes, so, and it's very, very deep. That's why you see some kind of ladders there to help the tractor to go on the other side to prepare the farms. Ĩno maĩ maya nĩ matheru no matingĩnyuo. Megĩko ta kĩmoka na gĩko kuma kũrĩa igũrũ. Ĩĩ kweli. Ona nĩndaigua makĩnunga kũrĩa kũrarĩmwo. Ndinona ciathirire ciakorwo gũkũ ndune. Ndinona. Kuga nĩ aroka na ndarĩ aroka rĩ. Oh. Ate? Hello guys, this is me in the rice farm. Those are rice farms all around here. Very large scale farming here of rice. This is where I came today to visit and also to harvest some rice. On this side, you see my umbrella, that side, that's what we are going to harvest today. Last time I showed you when we were coming to check when they had planted. This is next season. This is what we want to harvest today. And also on the other side where there is a tractor, they already harvested. They are preparing the land so that they can plant again. The sun is so hot, that's why I'm putting this one, the umbrella. Yes, we keep checking. We thank God for everything, for the good harvest here. The rains were present, so rice didn't the rice got sufficient water. You know, for you to grow rice, rice requires water to grow. Yes, I'm walking on a very narrow path here and I'm balancing my phone, my umbrella and everything. That's why I'm staggering like that. Yeah, we are just checking before the tractor or the harvester comes to harvest. Yes. Hey, nyanine sio mire muthi. Ni ngukita kwa ndihariirie.
Marariagira guku.
Ndona nginya matunda makora mari ni mababai me kuria. Makorete. Guku ng'ombe gutie mucere. Guku na ng'ombe. Oh, ni bara. Oh.
Unaona mai mokagira nyamu ino. Gugekira guku. Riu guku ino ni yaga mai muno ino.
Ere ya mbere.
Ino.
Ere ngire ya mbere.
Ere ya gute mai. Ino ni ya gwikira.
Okay, ere ni ya gute.
Ikorwo meita meri. Ino ya gwikira, iyo ya kuruta.
Oh, iko kule gwake. Ikoragwo kule gwake. Na matiete kana maingire?
Turenda maingire, turenda ruku kwa ruku nyanya. Ogwanja, ruku kwa. Ogora gutu. Ogora roka gukurira. Na gutire kana kwa toka.
Aha. Eh, no mukoda mugekaga ati kwahehuka ri. Marenge. Togetige guthio kwa hatiri hau hakuhi.
Dingia mendirie na beo mbega. No mabano ro uguo. Na matiwa kama makoro mego. Magioka. Matiana goriro wega.
No tikoro nyamu guku. No. Geto. Kai, kom. Okay. Sasa matali hagoma. Mothieu gatia? Mothieu.
Ikinyenda cigana ici?
Oguo irona irugamite niyo yathie.
Ananggeria ni mwana mo beso akararwa. Ngikweria ni uko. Tari mo tayo ngete tigo ya kaidano karara. Nangyo ko. Kararwa ni tigo gwake musigisa. Ni mo beso.
Sine ciana ciake.
Ni tigo gwake to ni ndiete.
Sine ciana.
Nani kumangwira musere maki amenya kimali na nyu mwana amusioka. Amusioka. Asa. Kemara ke biru. Aulia nyu mwana na mundu wito ya mita. Kemara ke biru. Ni ore anzi hapa kwa yake. Oyo atu kwa sere. Oyo kenya ya kabisa. Nani mwana ndo kabisa. Asa. Eko boy. Ni mwana ndio ku. Ni mwana ndio ku kwa yake.
Ndona nende okare itai na ihenya eni Mami. Thiĩ ngime na tũ irio. Oh. Tũthiĩ. Guys, family and friends, at this time I had spent so much time on the farm, and it was my time to go home because I had left my two besties at school. When they came back from school, they found that mommy was not at home, so it was time to go and check on them. I spent the whole day on the farm, So by the time I was leaving, the harvester had not finished because it was harvesting 4 acres. It had done only 2. So I left people who were going to supervise, and that was okay. So I was on my motorbike on my way home because I had 1.5 hours to go back home. The day was good, though there were some hiccups here and there. The tractor was getting some problems, mechanical problems. Sometimes the fuel could run out. People would go and buy another one, but in all, we thank God for the good harvest and for the day, for the productive day and a day well spent at the farm. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, for subscribing, for liking, and for the heads up. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Okay. Kore nä kena nyeki? Kore nä kena nyeki kana?
Ora nä rå ä
Må rä ma å rä a?
mora nä wena wa
Ate?
Itago Kingati.
Oh.
Yamanya kikena kuitwa.
Na kå twa gä tåguna?